Standard 7 English Medium Subject English. Lesson number 3.5 News Analysis. Closed shoes not allowed in examination halls. Bengaluru. Shivam Institute of Innovative Technology, Bengaluru, has recently issued a list of do's and don'ts for the candidates taking the entrance test to the prestigious institute this year. The candidates will not be allowed to enter the examination hall wearing closed shoes, boots, even socks. Other items which will not be allowed inside include mobile phones, microphones, earplugs, calculators, and other electronic gadgets, pouches, printed or black papers, and even pens. The pens will be provided in the hall by the invigilators. Ritika takes a break from acting. Mumbai, September 9. Famous actress Ritika, who is believed to be the most highly paid star in Bollywood, is all set to break the hearts of her fans. In an informal chat with the journalist, she revealed that she will not sign any more films after completing the big-budget movie Ant next month. She refused to give any reasons for her decision. However, sources close to her reveal that now she wants to make a career in politics. Most dangerous time in history. London. The famous physics professor Stephen Hawking has warned that mankind is facing the most dangerous time in its history today. He said that the world today is facing huge challenges like climate change, overpopulation, epidemic diseases. We have the technology to destroy the planet on which we live and have not yet developed the ability to escape it. Perhaps in a few hundred years from now, we will have built colonies amid the stars. But right now, we have only one planet and we need to work together to protect it. Hawking wrote recently in the Guardian newspaper. Quick cure for all ailments. Staff reported, Kawathe. Hundreds of people flock every year to Ralewadi, a tiny settlement near Ambegaon. They wait in long winding queues in the hot sun to get a special powder from Miri Baba, who claims that it cures all sorts of diseases. According to him, he has developed this powder from a special herb in Himalayas. Unwilling to give the exact name and source of the herb, he only says that it was revealed to him. He offers it at ₹25 a packet. Each packet is specially blessed by him. Some of his followers claim that they have seen him curing thousands of people with his powder. However, Dr. Karnik of Ambegaon Civil Hospital says that the number of patients in their hospital has in fact increased in the last few weeks. Standard 7 English Medium Subject English.